An exclusivity clause is a contractual promise to only do a set of things with one other party. So it might be like, you are our exclusive supplier of water to our North American operations for a period of 2 years. But sometimes exclusivity clauses aren't so simple. Like, instead of saying you're the exclusive supplier, it might say, we will buy all our water from you for North America for 2 years. That second one, also an exclusivity clause, doesn't even say the words exclusive in it, but yet by buying all of your water from them, you're making an exclusive promise. Exclusivity clauses aren't super common in agreements, but they do come up sometimes in the context of really important business deals, and they can be worth a lot of money, right? Like, you might say you're the exclusive distributor of our shoes in South Korea, or the exclusive licensee of whatever in a certain spot for a certain amount of time. And so, like, they do come up. It's really important that you don't violate them when they're in your agreements. And in order to not violate them, you have to know which of your agreements have the exclusivity clauses, and you have to know exactly what they say. Like, are they territory limited? Are they time limited? And what's the exact scope of services or goods that are being covered by the exclusivity? So to do that, you got to know where the exclusivity clauses are in your agreement. Ideally, you've tracked this along the way, but sometimes you end up in situations like you're buying another company, or you just haven't been as careful as maybe you could have been throughout your company's history in tracking these. Sometimes they can sort of make it into a contract inadvertently too. And so the key thing is to read through. The problem is you can't do just like a control F, because, as I mentioned before, it's very possible to have an exclusivity arrangement without using the words exclusive. And so you got to be pretty thorough when you go through. One nice thing is that contracts AI can sometimes, if it's properly trained, handle some of these different variations in language. And so it can help a human reviewer and even make them more accurate at finding these super important clauses. If you'd like to find exclusivity clauses, you need to find exclusivity clauses. And like, if you have contracts and you're not sure if they have exclusivity clauses in them, like, you really should be sure. If you click on this link, it'll take you to a spot where you can upload your contracts and automatically find exclusivity clauses in them. And if you're not certain that you don't have exclusivity clauses, or you are certain that you have them and you know what they say, if there's like any little bit of uncertainty in you around exclusivity clauses, I encourage you to review your contracts, whether using technology or not. It's really important that you know which of your contracts have these and what exactly they say.